Every Ferrari begins its journey where engineering meets Italian passion. Only the finest materials earn a place in a Ferrari. Advanced machining transforms raw metal into precision-engineered performance. Automation delivers exceptional strength and consistency.
Lightweight carbon fiber enhances both speed and precision.
Precision alignment forms the backbone of Ferrari performance. The legendary Rosso Corsa finish is applied with extraordinary precision. Every Ferrari engine is assembled with meticulous craftsmanship.
Luxury is handcrafted into every detail.
Thousands of precision components come together to create an automotive masterpiece. Performance is created through thousands of perfectly calibrated details. Every component must meet Ferrari's legend. Modern Ferrari combines handcrafted engineering with advanced digital intelligence to deliver perfect performance. Before leaving the factory, every Ferrari undergoes a rigorous inspection to ensure perfection. Only after passing demanding performance tests is a Ferrari ready to carry its legacy onto the road.
From raw materials to automotive perfection, every Ferrari represents decades of passion, innovation, and Italian craftsmanship.